A good debate is not all about proving who is right. A good debate is all about thinking how different people think differently. So, good evening, everyone, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. So, I warmly welcome you to all of you. I am Bipasha Bishwas, and I'm glad to be your host for today's event. So today's our debate topic is, has the promise Achhe Din been fulfilled? So this is very important topic because it's help us to think from different perspective. One team believes that India experiencing its good day, while other team believes that there's a still room of improvement. So before we begin, I wanna clear some things. Please don't interrupt each other, listen carefully, and respect each other opinions. Now I would like to invite our first team, Team A, to share their viewpoint on this topic. Let's give a big round of applause.
So, good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. So, I am in favor of motion. There is अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं. Means nowadays we are getting best medical facilities. Means get best roads and various type of government infrastructure we got. So, I am very thankful about our government to give us a very precious and very beautiful country. So it's all about my point.
Okay, respected judges, teacher, and my dear friends, myself Sonali. Today I am here to speaking against the motion because I believe BJP came. Sorry. I'll just explain one thing. Inflation. You all know about inflation. Like a kitchen budget is almost destroyed because of think in 2014 the BJP government came and on LPG cylinder rate around 410 rupees, and now it's rupees 900. After all, like a petrol was in rupees 70 in 2014, but still today petrol cost are 100 plus. There is many sentence I have, like cooking oil, vegetables, milk, almost budget are almost budget are double. I'll explain one thing, like a middle class family. Okay, a middle class family spend rupees 8,000 per month for groceries. Okay, and now the family spend 14 to 15,000 per month, but still the salary is same. Then what can we say, like good days are coming? That's my opinion. Thank you.
Good evening, my respected judges, teacher, and my dear opponents. I am Aniket Jharkhande, and I am here present my view on the debate topic. Then, do good days have come? Yeah, I am sure of yes. Goods day have come. Then India become more respect on the international stage. This is happy for this is news happy for us, and basic facilities like electricity, drink water, and cooking gas have reach more people, and highways, airports, and also railways, metros. Is this these services also provide government now this time and have reached significantly. Yes, this is my view. That's why I'm favor of good days have come.
Hello, I am Khushi. I am here to support my views on a good days has not arrived because I think that healthcare system is expensive today and medicines is also costly. That's why I think good days is not arrived in India. Thank you.
Good evening, respected judges, respected sir, and my opponents. I am Praveen Brahmane. I am here. I am stand before you to speak in favor of Achhe Din have come or not. So yes, my answer is that yes, Achhe Din have come. The our first point is that our country stand or the position of our country in the global level is fourth. The economical condition of our sorry the India has stand the position on the fourth position of the to the GDP of in before 14 or 2014 the our GDP or our the position of our country is on the to 11th or 10th. Now the is it is in on the position of fourth, and also the increase the GDP for 4.15 trillion. GDPs are also grown, and if we consider that the digital India is also impacting like UPI, digital Aadhars, and DigiLockers. These kinds of service also provided by governments. And for example, if we consider the stick vendor using UPI and showing the how the digital transformation is going on in the India. That's my point. Thank you.
Good evening, respected teachers and judges and my dear friends. Today I am speak Achhe Din are not come. So many village students study in government schools. There are not enough teachers and not good facilities. But in different side, um, cities children so they study in expensive schools and with better education. So is equal education? No. So if a good day are come, so why will a student struggling for better education? Thank you.
Good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Gayatri, and today I stand in the favor of the motion that is India experiencing a good days. According to my perspective, India is experiencing a good days because India has remarkable progress in several fields uh, over the past decades and showing a strongest sign of growth and development, such as economic growth, technological advancement, development in infrastructure, global initiatives, and achievements in science and space, and social welfare initiatives. Various schemes are provided by governments, assist to banking, housing, healthcare, sanitation, provide to improving health and quality of the family. It's good.
Hello everyone. I am in against the favor of Achhe Din come because I think after many student after they get a graduation degree, they don't have jobs. So many unemployment in our India is increasing, and I think it's a main problem because they don't get enough money to save also.
Good evening, respected judges and my dear friends. My name is Vaibhav, and I want just to say one thing. If today is better than yesterday, our children's future has changed. Earlier, a rickshaw driver's sons could only drive a rickshaw, and now we have books, scholarships, and they have become a doctor or engineer.
Respected judges, respected sir, and my dear friends and my fellow opponents. Today I am speaking in favor of the motion, in not in favor of the motion, against the motion. That is, Achhe Din have not arrived yet. So, as different opinion I heard from opponent team. So I think, or we think, when we got independence, we became independence in 1947, and now we are eyewitness or witness of 2026. That means there is a big, vast period we passed. So we are facing so many problems till today, and everyone is satisfied with these all these kind of facilities provided by the government, like a dreamy world. So that means there is no progress after that. Yes, that means we are living in the present era. These are not good days, I think. We have to progress more than this. So that means we are living in what we call satisfactory stage, that is plateau stage we can call it. That means from this stage we have to jump or progress more to make our nation strong. There are many reasons behind that. Look, there are many examples, recent examples also. The various accidents took place on roads. The last 1 or 2 year example, last yesterday's example. Due to the bad roads, we always use or used to say we have highways, we have Samruddhi ways, and look at the roads in cities. Due to the bad road, that accident happened, and more than 2 females died. So why this could happen? Why this accident happened? So, and if such things happen in our country, how can we call the good days have arrived? This is my question. Thank you.
Okay, when we consider the Achhe Din comes, it is not just a slogan. It means it's what was I say? It's visible through visible through strongly infrastructures, booming in semiconductors, IT hubs are there, and many infrastructures are building there, and also governments provides the jobs. Means if we consider any road infrastructure, there laborers are working there. So in we say that the government also providing the jobs also. If India has rising step by step to global economics, because it is in a what can I say? Okay. Rising step by step in a global level. Although some facilities are remains, but the system government has to try to fix this system facilities and the what all this stuff. So,
In my point of view, have you ever know about Ladki Behan Yojana of government? They stop it now because I think they are trying to make people fool. That's why they stop it now. And if you ever know about in all India, there are right now 7 protests are happening. If you don't know that, that's why I want to say it. Achhe Din has not arrived. in this condition. Thank you.
So our opponent said that there is many peoples are suffered for inflation, but I think about it. In early period, there were many peoples are doing farming and milk business and related to our Indian culture business. They were did, and nowadays there are many people doing government and private jobs. So there is no few peoples are doing farming and any other cultural jobs. So that's why the demand of food grains and milk are increases, but the shortage of making these food grains and shortage of making this food. So these types of means inflation is increases due to shortage, not there is no role of government in it. So it is all about me.
Okay. As my opponent says, inflation. I know the government also says global inflation. It's a global inflation. Yes, we will consider a global inflation, but still, the my point is the problem is global. Then what can the government cannot try? The solution is in a global level. Watch the increase rates of items in double. What is this possible? I must say the expenses rate are double, but the salary cannot still increase. You all know about my point. The salary cannot increase. Then what the normal or common people are surviving in this country or in this situation? That's my point.
Okay, you talking about salary. Then also the labor salary is also 500 present at this situation. But some people not work in means good company or good under the builder or also contractor in that field of construction. There is also present labor salary is 500 plus also 450. Then that then this is not right, because also government means many government schemes services provided means for poor people, needy people also. And this good news for us, because India becomes a self-reliant country, just like in includes infra means manufacturing and defense. Then that's why this is my point.
Okay, I'll completely agree with you. You say like the government provide many schemes. Yes, I'll tell you one scheme, the Agniveer scheme. You all know about the Agniveer scheme. The Agniveer scheme has a 4 year they have do a 4 year jobs. Matlab, they have do only 4 year job. Now, then what do you think about the boy who has been a soldier? He has trying her best in before 10 years, and then after 4 year the government can like 75%. Some boys are going to Agniveer. They will complete their job in after like 4 years, and then 75% youth are 75% youth are sent by their home. Then you just tell me like how the boys are feeling well. They are being a soldier. They will try their best after 10 years, and then suddenly they will come and they will look another job for which whenever the field. Even you say like when MBA or engineering student are working in a delivery boy because of there is no job vacancy or there is no job for us, then I must say you all say like the Achhe Din. In my opinion, Achhe Din is only exist for speech, not for in ground. That's it.
We forget what we are. So the glass is half full, okay, and we my opponent, we can see only the half that is empty. It's unhappiness, and my opponents lives in past, not in present, so they cannot see good days.
In my point of view, my worthy opponent said that uh, all the all the yojana, government providing all the yojanas properly to poor people. If you are seeing some peoples are demanding, they are not having that money, and they stop it now. And you in India, it India is the only country who put taxes on the book like 13% all over the world. That is my point.
Happiness happiness, it comes from our perspective. When we saw flower in the thorn, and when we saw thorn in the flower, good days are just like that. And if today is better than yesterday, I say okay.
So many village people, they struggling for clean drinking water. They walk long distance and then collect the water, and it's if a good day are come. So why people struggling for clean drinking water? Thank you.
I talk about infrastructure development, that is Samruddhi Mahamarga from Nagpur to Mumbai. It's also called as expressway. We can reduce time to travel time to use to use Samruddhi Mahamarga for go to Nagpur to Mumbai, and also create opportunities to businessmen, farmers, and laborers. It's about.
But there are many highways which are not perfectly in line. They are just just made. They get connected at different point, so they are not useful for now. But my point is, farmer are also struggling a lot. Because they don't get enough money for their work, and they do also suicide for not getting payment for their work.
So my opponent said that Agnivir Yojanas, but they in Agnivir schemes, there is already mentioned about the scheme. How there is 4-year bond, and after the 4-year bond, the soldier will be retired, and they get means fixed amount of money after retire, not a pension. It's clearly mentioned on the bond. So there was also one exam like ND examination, which is also based for to become an officer, and also means army bhartis, which is based on until the retirement we do the job, means after the retirement we get pension. This type of jobs is already maintained in our armed forces. And in early in 2016 there was a note banned note 500 and 1000 notes were banned by our government. So this was the great decision was taken by our government, as per my opinion, because there is black money and black terrorism in our neighbor country where did. So it is very harmful for our country in early, but nowadays we are living a best era, and we do not have any means we do not have any terrorist attack on our country, and also we get safety, as per my opinion.
Okay, I'll agree with your points. We also know about the government provide free ration. We also know about that government provide free ration. But the question is, but my question is, how we do people's like seriously we have a ration. I mean to say, government provide free ration, and the question is, why do you need free ration? Because of their income, or their income or their salary cannot exist they cannot exist the our what I say, like our what say, like because of our our salary cannot less than the expenses. That's why. Okay.
Okay, the all know the basic infrastructures has been developed. So I want to tell about the infrastructures. The improving the roads and the improving the roads and when we consider when we consider the space achievements and the defense sector, the space center at the Chandrayaan 3, as you know all this, the our first India is the first country that landed on a southeast poles on the moon, and also the Aditya L1, that is the first solar mission that India has to be developed or release, and also the Gaganyaan missions is also given by yes.
Samarth said that he present his argument very well. He present his thought about pension, and in my point of view, if any person join the government job right now, he do not get pension after he will get retired. I think this is the facility. It gets stopped by the government right now. After he get old, they do not provide any pension. If you don't know that, and have you ever go